My name is Malada, and I'm the Qualifications Coordinator for the Cert 3 in Lab Skills and the Cert 4 in Forensics program. Within the Cert 3 Lab Skills, you'll get a chance to have hands-on experience with a lot of different equipment. We have a great set of laboratory microscopes. We have a lot of different pieces of equipment, such as Bunsen burners, and we've got incubators, we've got pipettes, we've got lots of glassware and everything that you need to create a really good lab experiment. We actually do 3 days at the Harry Perkins Medical Research Institute. And this is a fantastic opportunity to have hands-on experience in even more high-tech technologies such as centrifuges, pipettes that are really advanced, and other pieces of equipment like more high-powered microscopes that they would expose you to. My favourite part about this course is that you are actually doing the practicals and the experiments in real time that you would be doing in any other laboratory environment. Whether you go on to do further research, whether you end up working in a laboratory workplace, it gives you all the foundational knowledge. And this is a cut just above anything you do in the school science lab and more around what you would do in any laboratory setting in any workplace. So these are real life examples of hands-on experience that you're going to get. The Cert 4 in Forensics is a fantastic course to give you a foundational understanding of science, and that builds upon into some specific hands-on experience in the world of forensics. There's some fantastic foundational knowledge you'll learn about cells and DNA. You'll cover aspects of technology, and you'll learn about the fundamentals of forensic science, evidence law, and you'll even get your hands into some practicals of where you actually design a mock scene and collect evidence. My favourite part about the forensics course is actually the amount of group work and collaborative work that you would do together to enhance your learning. You'll be solving puzzles of collecting evidence in a forensic mock scene. You'll be performing in regards to presenting some of your research that you've found together as a group. And all of this will give you a fantastic confidence boost, and also the skills required to take this onto a tertiary level. Okay, well, both the Certificate 3 in Lab Skills and also the Cert 4 in Forensics have specific educational pathways. So if you were to just complete the Certificate 3, you have a fantastic foundational knowledge to obtain a job in a laboratory environment in the lab skills industry, from pathology to various others. With regards to the Cert 4 in Forensics pathway, this opens up the door to further study in this area in university. You could go on and do criminology, you could become involved with police work, and you could even further enhance your understanding of the forensic world in many of the specializations that exist under that banner.